The video you just saw was created with AI in under 3 minutes, completely for free. And this is a totally new niche on the internet that is trending right now. Look at this TikTok page, uploading the same style of animal haircut videos, and every single video is crossing millions of views from a brand new niche that most people don't even know exists yet. And the best part, barely anyone is doing this right now, which means the opportunity is wide open. So without wasting a single minute, let me show you exactly how to create these videos and start gaining millions of views and followers on your page. First, open ChatGPT and click on Explore GPTs. Search for Animal Haircut Generator and click on the first result. Click on Start Chat and then hit Start the Generator. Now simply enter your desired animal name and the haircut style you want and hit enter. ChatGPT will instantly provide you 2 image prompts and 1 video prompt. Everything you need to create the full video is generated in seconds. Now head over to Google Flow and choose the image option with your desired settings turned on. Copy image prompt 1 from ChatGPT and paste it in. Google Flow will generate a perfectly structured image for your first scene. Now click on that image, click the 3 dots and choose Add to Prompt. Copy image prompt 2 and paste it inside, and your second image will be ready in seconds. Adding the first image as a reference keeps both images visually consistent so your video feels smooth and connected. Now that both images are ready, choose the first image as the start frame and the second image as the end frame. Copy the video prompt from ChatGPT and paste it in. In seconds, Google Flow will generate a realistic, satisfying animal haircut video that is ready to post. That's it. 2 images, 1 video prompt, 1 viral video. This niche is new, it's trending, and it's wide open right now, but it won't stay that way for long. So go ahead and start posting these videos before this niche becomes overcrowded on the internet. All the steps are right here in this video. Subscribe for more tutorials like this.